Welcome to Heavy's News. You are watching National News. On Tuesday, the Rajya Sabha passed the Oil Fields Amendment Bill 2024 through a voice vote. The bill aims to simplify the oil and gas exploration business in India. It also separates petroleum operations from mining activities. Additionally, it expands the definition of mineral oils to include naturally occurring hydrocarbons, coal-bed methane, and shale gas oil. In his first statement to Parliament since India and China reached an agreement on petroleum arrangements in October, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said on Tuesday that this engagement has set India-China ties towards improvement. He added that recent diplomatic efforts have helped move the relationship in a positive direction. The Monetary Policy Committee meeting started today, December 4. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das will announce the decision taken in the meeting on December 6 at 10 a.m. Since February 2023, the RBI has kept the repo rate at 6.5%. Market analysts and economists expect that the central bank will not change the repo rate this time as it aims to bring inflation closer to its target level. On Tuesday, Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman told the Lok Sabha that India should be proud of its banking sector. She highlighted that public sector banks are professionally managed and not reliant on government funding. She also mentioned that the Jan Dhan accounts now holds 2.37 rupees lakh crore in deposits with an average balance of 4,397 rupees, up from 1,065 rupees in 2014. Additionally, she stated that public sector banks made a profit of 85,520 rupees crore in the first half of the current fiscal year. Gold and silver prices saw an increase today, December 4, according to the India Bullion and Jewellers Association. The price of 10 grams of 24 karat gold rose by 96 to reach 76,420 rupees, up from 76,324 rupees per 10 grams earlier. Silver prices also surged by 370 rupees, reaching 90,350 rupees per kilogram, up from 89,980 rupees per kilogram previously. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Harvest TV.